I found an AI tool that generated over $1,000 in just a month. And here's exactly what we're building today. Imagine having a reliable side hustle that consistently brings in cash using AI. That's what this video is all about. 030 Why This Matters. Earning with AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a reality. In 2026, the best MikiMoney AIM tools are transforming how people make money online. Whether you're a student looking for extra cash or a professional seeking passive income, this guide will show you how to harness the power of AI. 130 Prerequisites. Before we dive in, let's cover what you'll need. You don't need a tech degree or a huge investment. All you need is a basic understanding of AI tools and access to a computer. If you've watched our previous videos like why I moved from ChatGPT to Claude, 2026 test, or I tested 7 AI tools, only 3 built passive income. You're already ahead of the game. But don't worry if you're new, we'll walk you through everything. 2 o'clock step by step. Let's start with the foundation, choosing the right AI tool. After testing numerous options, I narrowed it down to 3 top performers. The first is dreamina Seedance 2.0, known for its robust natural language processing. The second is Pipit, which excels in data analysis. And the third is a newcomer that surprised everyone with its efficiency. Once you've selected your tool, it's time to set up your account. This process is straightforward but crucial. Make sure to fill out all required fields accurately. A common mistake is rushing through this step, which can lead to errors down the line. Take your time and double check everything. Next, we'll integrate your chosen AI tool with your existing workflow. This could be anything from a content creation platform to a financial management system. The key is seamless integration. Any hiccups here can disrupt your entire operation. If you're unsure about any part of this process, leave a comment below and we'll help you troubleshoot. Now comes the fun part, creating content. Whether you're writing articles, designing graphics, or producing videos, AI can assist you every step of the way. The trick is to blend human creativity with AI efficiency. Don't rely solely on AI. Use it as a tool to enhance your skills. After creating your content, it's time to monetize. There are several ways to do this, from affiliate marketing to sponsored posts. The most effective method depends on your niche and audience. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you. 5 o'clock pattern in a row. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Now, let's talk about some pro tips that can take your AI game to the next level. 8 o'clock pro tips. Tip number 1, always stay updated. AI is constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial. Follow the latest AI news clips and join relevant communities. Tip number 2, experiment with different tools. Don't settle for one tool just because it worked once. Keep testing and finding what fits your needs best. Tip number 3, network with other AI enthusiasts. Building a community around you can provide support and valuable insights. 9 o'clock results and next steps. By following these steps and tips, you can create a solid foundation for earning with AI. Remember, the goal is not just to make money, but to build a sustainable income stream. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI making money online content every single day. The next story is even crazier. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Was she right to wait a whole year? Yes or no? Comment your verdict.